Good morning, everybody. It's time for a math lesson. Today, we're going to multiply. We're going to specifically multiply our 8. We're going to look at this equation, 3 times 8. So far, we've looked at multiplication in a few different ways. We've multiplied using loops and groups. That means we make 3 loops and put 8 in each one. We count all that we have. We've got 8, 16, 24, because 3 times 8 is 24. We've learned how to do multiplication on a number line. 3 times 8 is going to be 3 jumps of 8. Here's 1, it's 8, plus another 8 is 16, plus another 8 is 24. We've looked at multiplication as an array. That's going to be 3 rows of 8, and you count them off. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
There's 24 boxes here. But counting all those boxes is not very efficient. And drawing a number line out every time, that's time consuming. Having to go through and draw loops and groups, not the best way to solve these multiplication equations. We're looking for a more efficient method. So today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply 3 times 8 in the most efficient way possible. The most efficient way is to just know that 3 times 8 is 24. But if you don't know your facts, and if you need to calculate this, that's okay. Here's some methods on how you can calculate this effectively. For us to calculate our 8s, today we're going to start with our 2s. You should know your 2s tables, and if you don't, you should start practicing them. The method that we're going to go through here is we're going to double our double of our double. We're going to triple double some stuff. We're going to first start off with our 2s. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then we're going to double that. 3 times 4 equals 12. We doubled the 2 to a 4. We doubled the 6 to a 12. When you double a number, you just add it to itself. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. Why are we doubling our numbers? Well, if we double them one more time, we get 3 times 8 equals 24. That's how you can calculate your 8s. By doubling your 2s and then doubling them again. 3 times 2 is 6. Double your 2 to a 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Your product, your answer, doubles as well. 3 times 4 equals 12. So 3 times 8 is 24 because 8 is twice as much as 4. So 24 is twice as much as 12. To calculate your 8s, all you have to do is double the double of your double. Start off by your 2s. Double that number, multiply by your 4s, double that number, multiply by your 8s, and have your product. We're going to work at this specific skill today. We're going to head over to our math course. We're going to find an assignment here. This assignment is double, double, double. You'll also find a link for this assignment, double, 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 in the announcement for today. Once you get here, you're going to load double, double, double in a new window. You might have to click through some prompts to link accounts or sign in with Google. It might not just automatically take you to a Kami page. This is a Kami page. We're going to use the Kami document editing program today to fill out this worksheet. On this worksheet, we have the first one done for you. 3 times 8 equals 24. That's the example we just did. What we did is we started with our 2s table. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then we doubled it to 3 times 4 equals 12. We doubled it again. 3 times 8 equals 24. We have our product for 3 times 8. What you're going to have to do is do all that on the rest of the remainder of this sheet. You're multiplying by 2. You're multiplying by 4. You're multiplying by 8. We're going to do 7 times 8 together right here to show you exactly how to use this program and how it should work. To edit this document, you're going to head over to the toolbar over here. We're going to click on text box and we're going to create some text boxes. We're going to do 7 times 8 together. 7 times 8. To do these equations, we're first starting with our 2s table. So I'm going to put a text box right there by clicking, typing in the number 7. I'm going to click out of the box to close it. I'm going to click back into where I want the next box to go. 7 times 2. 7 times 2. Add a new text box. Well, 7 times 2 is 14. I doubled my number. 7 plus 7, because you multiply times 2, it's going to be 7 2 times, equals 14. Now I'm going to double this again. Add a text box, 7. Add another text box times 4, because I'm doubling my 2 to a 4. Add that last text box, doubling my 14. 14 plus 14 is 28. Last round, I'm going to do that 7 again because we're multiplying 7 times 8. So here we got from 2 to 4, W 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. I'm now going to do 7 times 8. I got to double my answer as well. I got 28 plus 28. That's going to be 8 plus 8 is 16, and 20 plus 20 is 40, and 40 plus 16 is 56. Using Kami and the text box, you can add all your answers right in here and edit this page. You can complete this worksheet without having to print it. There are 12 of these to do. That's all the entire 8s table. It's actually also all of the 2s and all of the 4s. We're doing a lot of work on this one. When you're all done with the assignment, up here there'll be a prompt for you to submit. You should click on submit. If you have any questions about this assignment, if you have any difficulty navigating Kami, post a comment here and we'll get back to you just as soon as we can. Have a great day, everybody.